To keep your house clean, you need one vacuum with all the power and features necessary to get the job done. The C4 Cyclonic from Bissell has integrated one-click tools, multiple connection points, and swivel steering to allow for truly versatile cleaning. With a power-rotating brush, the C4 Cyclonic is great for lifting embedded dirt and hair from carpets. The rotating brush can be turned off with the fingertip controls, letting you transition smoothly from carpet to hard floors. Aside from cleaning floors, C4 Cyclonic has integrated and interchangeable one-click tools, so you can switch to upholstery cleaning or dusting at the touch of a button. With its long hose and extendable wand providing over 10 feet of cleaning reach, C4 Cyclonic helps you take care of dirt in hard-to-reach areas. Stair cleaning is easy with the power of an upright vacuum in the palm of your hand. Cleaning all around your home has never been easier. The C4 Cyclonic from Bissell.
When using the wand accessory, pull the wand from the wand duct and attach the crevice tool or combo tool to the end of the wand. The combo tool has two tools in one. The upholstery tool has two sides that flip down when needed. The dust brush is used from the opposite side of the upholstery tool. Support the vacuum with one hand while cleaning with the wand. When finished, replace the wand into the wand duct. Note, when using the ProForce 1500 XP, if the power nozzle motor is running, the motor will automatically shut off if you remove the wand and turn back on when you replace the wand. To properly carry the ProForce 1500 and ProForce 1500 XP, either place your hand under the carry handle or place your hand over the carry handle. Obstructions such as hair, string, and throw rugs may cause the jammed brush roll indicator light to become illuminated and the power nozzle to shut off. If this should happen, first turn off the vacuum and unplug the power cord from the power source. Next, pull the handle down and roll the vacuum body upside down so that you can clearly see the underside of the vacuum. Then, pull out or cut away the obstruction on the brush roll. Once this has been complete, then press the reset switch on the top side of the power nozzle. Plug in the power cord and restart the motor. Obstructions in the hoses or wand may reduce or eliminate suction. If this should happen, it is important that you are familiar with the airflow path and possible obstruction locations. On the ProForce 1500 XP, turn on the vacuum and place a hand over the wand opening to check for proper suction. If there is proper suction, the blockage is in the lower air duct. If no suction exists, blockage is in the hose or filter cover. To resolve this obstruction, open the filter cover and replace the intercept microfilter. A full filter will restrict airflow. If this does not resolve the problem, next, remove the hose from the filter cover by using the quick-release tabs on the side of the hose cuff. Look into the upper hose and wand. Shake or insert broom handle to clear any visible debris. Replace the hose and wand onto the vacuum. To check for obstructions in the lower air duct, disconnect the lower air duct hose on the back of the power nozzle and visually check the lower air duct hose for debris and remove it if present. To check for unobstructed airflow, turn on the vacuum and place a hand over the opening of the lower air duct. If you feel proper suction, reconnect the lower air duct and resume vacuuming. If blockage is not in the lower air duct hose, then with the bottom air duct hose, upper hose, and wand disconnected, carefully insert a broom handle or any similar item like a short length of hose, pipe, etc., approximately 18 inches into the wand guide on the top of the vacuum housing to dislodge obstruction or debris. Debris should then drop or move into the lower air duct, where you can then remove it with your hand. Reconnect the lower air duct and upper hose assembly and turn on the vacuum.